Hello students, this is Sandeep sir here. In this video, I'm going to explain what is reflection of light and what are the laws of reflection. Okay, this is the very important questions. They may ask for 2 marks, children. First, try to understand what is reflection of light. Reflection of light. Okay. See, children, when light passes through any medium, okay, like when it strikes any surface, actually, okay, like let's take this is a plane mirror. Whenever a ray of light falls on a plane mirror, it bounces back. Okay, this phenomenon of bouncing back of light ray after striking a solid surface is called as reflection of light. So we can write the definition. Please note it down. The phenomenon of bouncing back of light ray. Bouncing back of light rays after striking a solid surface. After striking a solid surface. Okay, is called reflection. It's called reflection of light. Is it clear? Now try to understand, children. Okay, the light ray which strikes the surface. Okay, this light ray which is striking the surface. This is called as incident ray. This is called what? Incident ray. This ray is what? Incident ray. Incident ray. See, which bounces back. This is called as reflected ray. Reflected ray. Okay. See this point. Okay, point P is called as this point P is called as point of incidence. Point of incidence. Okay, if you draw a 90-degree line, this is called as normal. Okay, see the angle made by incident ray and this normal, this angle is called as I. Okay, this angle I is what? Angle of incidence. What is angle of incidence? Angle made by this incident ray, okay, with the normal. Okay, angle of incidence. Similarly, angle made by this reflected ray and the normal, okay, is called as angle of reflection. Angle R, angle, this is angle R, you can see children. It is what? Angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Is it clear? Okay. Now, there are 2 laws of reflection, children. You should understand 2 laws of reflection. 2 laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. First, you can say, children, this angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Or you can say, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Very simple. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. This is the first law. When we talk about the second law, okay, second law is what? The incident ray. Okay, let's take a, this is PQ. PQ is incident ray, PR, reflected ray, and PN, normal. Here we can represent PQ is what? This from here to here. Okay, this ray. PQ is what? Incident ray. Okay, to understand better. Similarly, this PR. Okay, PR is what? A reflected ray. Reflected ray. And this one you see, this PN. PN is what? A normal. Okay. What is angle of incidence? How will write? NPQ. Okay. NPQ. This is what? A angle of incidence. N, this N, P and Q. Okay. Similarly, angle NPR. Okay. NPR. That is what? A angle of reflection. These terms I have just written to make it more clear. What is the second law, children? Second law is what? The incident ray, the reflected ray, okay, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie on the same plane. So we can write second law. Second law is what? The angle of, sorry, the incident ray, comma, reflected ray, and the normal, at the point of incidence, all lie on the same plane. So this is the two laws of reflection. If you understood these concepts, please share with your friends, okay, and subscribe the channel, children.